Hi and welcome back. In this video we're going to do a tank clean on the Qidi I-box Mono. As you can see, the printer's just finished, but there's a print failure in the middle. So basically I need to make sure that I get rid of any stuff that's stuck to the FET plate on the tank. So to do this, we'll go to the menus, just go back so you can see the menus itself. Go into tools and then clean raw material, and then it's set to 15 seconds, and then just click on next, and then basically that's turning on the UV light underneath, and that will cure the bottom layer in the vat. And then once the excess resin is drained off afterwards, you can just peel off the resin that's been cured, and that should remove any exposed resin that's been cured in the tank that's floating around, and anything that's stuck to the bottom of the FET plate. So if we just check this, it should say that's, if you can see it very easily, zoom in, there you go, exposure has ended, so you can just get back on that, back again, and then what I'll do is I'll slacken off I'll take the nuts out for the tank, for that. I'll drain this off, and then I'll resume the video so you can see what's on the bottom. Right, so I've drained the vat. Give it a bit of a clean out as well. You can see where the failed print is. So by exposing the bottom couple layers of the resin that's in the tank, you can basically give the tank a good clean. Gets rid of any bits floating around in your resin. The rest of it, if you put through a filter and stick it into a separate bottle, then you're not contaminating any new resin you've got. You can reuse it. Just make sure that you filter it a couple of times maybe. Once you're at this stage, it's all been cleaned off, you can just use the plastic scraper to pick up the corner of the exposed resin. It might take a couple of attempts to just pick it. This one I've done already, and then it's just a case of it comes, and then you can just leave that in daylight and it will harden off, and then you can dispose of it as you choose. So yeah, that's the tank clean on the Qidi Tech I-box Mono. So I hope you find that helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.